Good morning, bird brains. Due to the inclement weather that we've been experiencing lately, along with just some very limited riding time due to other things, I don't really have a video for you today, but I do have some footage from the other day. Me and Miss Bird went to go practice. She needed to, of course, practice riding, and I needed some practice with my new drone. This was all taken just before I got licensed, so I couldn't really show you guys, but now that everything is taken care of, I can show you guys. So threw together a little montage of her riding around the practice lot here, and hopefully I'll have a video for you guys in a couple days. So enjoy.